Hey, this is Robert Carrington with Professional Window Cleaning Services. Today I'm going to review how Professional Window Cleaning Services cleans windows. We use ultra pure water, water-fed poles. It's a squeegee-less system. It gives you the highest results for the least amount of money. I'm going to contrast that with the tried and true method that's been used for the last 75 years by all professional window cleaners throughout the world. How is pure water window cleaning different? First of all, it does not use soaps or chemicals or anything of that nature to break up the dirt and remove it. Pure water has a level of 0 to 2 of total dissolved solids in it. Water is either created on site, at the job site, or at a job site and transported. Pure water is used to rinse away all the dirt on the glass in the frames. I mean by the term created when I say that pure water is created. It doesn't necessarily exist in nature, because as soon as water starts falling out of the sky, it starts accumulating impurities. As water comes out of the ground, of course, it's full of impurities. So pure water then is aggressive about bonding to any type of chemicals or dirt other than itself. So when we're using pure water cleaning windows, it's aggressively bonding to the dirt on the frames and the windows. Along the Wasatch Front, the water has a TDS range of about 2 to 1,000. Above 500 is considered very, very hard. A 5-stage water purification system is needed. It is then pumped up through a hose to a tube and through the brush head on a water-fed pole, which then scrubs the windows and the frames, removing the dirt in a dry spot. Now, Professional Window Cleaning does things slightly different than most other window cleaning companies throughout the United States that uses pure water window cleaning. And that is, we make it at our shop, we transport it in our van or a pickup truck, carry it in a tank, we bring it to the job site. All we have to do is open the back of the van or drop the back of the pickup truck, hook up a battery, and we're working. The reason why we do that is that increases our efficiency by a minimum of 50%. Our competitors want to bring the water purification system to the site. They have to set it up, drag hoses all around the building, move the water purification system as they move around the building. And then at the end of the day, when they're done, they have to break it down and put it back in their vehicle. Demonstrate the tried and true method that window cleaners have used for the last 75 years. Here I have a squeegee, a mop, a bucket. So we're just going to wet the mop. We're going to come up here and wet the window. We're going to squeegee it. There you go. So when we're at our shop, we make the pure water. We put it in the tank. The next step is we turn the pump on, which is hooked up to the batteries. The water then is pumped out through these hoses. We hook up the water-fed pole like this, with quick release, to these hoses. The water is pumped from the hose to this yellow tube, out right here through the brush head. And this is a hog's hair brush head. You get the greatest results with this kind of brush head. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate for you how a water-fed pole works. I just turned on the water right here at the hose. As you can see, it's coming out of the brush head. But I'm going to do the same window I just did with the mop and the squeegee. So we're going to agitate it back and forth, overlapping the brush head. We want to make sure we get the frame as well. Okay, and then we do a final rinse. Now, this window was fairly easy to clean because it's been cleaned multiple times. But depending on how dirty it is, this process might have to be done from anywhere from once to 10 times. Thank you, and we appreciate your time.